Hi, my name is Amanda and I work with the team over at Headlocked Media. Thank you for your interest in your personalized salon education video regarding your online market. When it comes to the online market, we know that the majority of our potential clients are either always on their cell phone or utilizing a desktop computer to Google what businesses are around them when they're looking for specific services. In your case, mind-blowing hair replacement, we know that in the Los Angeles area that your potential clientele is searching for some sort of hair replacement or issues with hair loss. And so we definitely want to make sure that you are able to be seen and placed in front of those clients who are searching for you. So there's a few things that we like to share with our industry professionals when it comes to digital marketing. One thing is I do have your website up. And as I was scrolling through here, you do have a beautiful website. It's to the point. You have visuals on here, which is really important for potential clientele. One thing that we look at as digital marketers is the amount of content on your website. So Google likes to read about 1,500 words on your homepage and 500 to 750 words on your back pages. So say like your services page where we go into hair replacement, we would want to make sure that there's 500 to 750 words on that page and 1,500 words on your home page. Now, what goes along with content is ensuring that you have the correct keywords or key terms on there. And so one thing that I had searched for when I was looking up your website was hair replacement Los Angeles. And so that is a key term. That is what your potential clients are searching for, and that's how they are finding you on the internet. What I did here is I pulled you up, but then I also pulled up MD Hair Design. We do see right now their website's not secure. Yours is secure, which is awesome. Sometimes that can kind of ward off a few potential clients if they see a not secure on the website. Then they're like, okay, I don't want to go there. But when it comes to website, we do, as we scroll down here, see a little bit more content. And that's probably where they are able to rank a little bit more up on the rankings when it comes to website. So if I were to come in here and search Los Angeles hair replacement, you can see right here, this is what we call the map pack or the Google My Business. And so we know that 40% of potential clientele is going to find a business through this area right here, which is called the map pack. As I scroll down, you can see the website listings, and that's where the other 60% of potential clientele is going to find your business. And so our goal is to get your website ranking up here along with these top competitors. Now, what we do as a company is, we offer website design, we offer Google My Business, and the important thing is to not only have a website, but ensure that it's going to rank. Something we like to say is, it's like having a really nice car with no gas in it. And I'm going to go a little bit further into that just to explain. So what we do is we work with a lot of clients on their SEO or search engine optimization. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, this is a program that we use called Ahrefs. This is your website that we put into the program so we can see kind of where the internet is ranking you. So you're ranking for 16 organic keywords, your traffic value is $23. You're getting that from the amount of people visiting your website a month. So it looks like 3 people are visiting your website a month. And so our goal would be to increase that number so you're able to offer more services to a broader clientele. This is all based on UR and DR is based on a scale of 0 to 100. Obviously, the higher the number, the better Google reads it and sees that you are a legit website. Google's whole mantra is to make sure that they are offering to expose businesses fairly. And so they definitely want to make sure that this content that's on your website is linking with what you say you're doing as a business. And so they are very fair that way. Now what I did was I pulled up MD Hair Design, and I pulled them up because when I searched Los Angeles hair replacement, there you can see right here we've got Yelp, so we're not going to count those as website rankings, but MD Hair Design is actually #1 for that search term, Los Angeles. It might help if I put that E in there. So if I go Los Angeles hair replacement, we're going to scroll back down. There's MD hair design. And so that means when a potential client is searching this key term, they're popping up number one. So I went ahead and I put them in Ahrefs as well. So we could just look at their comparison to your website. Now I'm going to be honest, when you click on over here to mdhairdesign.com, their Ahrefs rank is actually a little bit lower than yours, and so is their UR. And so the really good news about this is they would be very easy to beat as your top competitor. What you can see is they're actually getting about 107 potential clients visiting their website a month, and you're sitting 3 right now. And so their traffic value is sitting at $647. And so this is kind of like you're a prime candidate for SEO because it will be really easy to beat out your top competitor. What we like to do is keywords. I kind of mentioned, with content, you want to make sure you've got key terms in your content to ensure that Google is reading that you are offering those services. And so if I come over here to organic keywords on both you and MD Hair Design, I'm just going to pop in Los Angeles in there. You can see the volume of how many people are searching for hair replacement in your area. So hair replacement Los Angeles, 100 people a month are searching that. Men's hair salon Los Angeles, hair systems Los Angeles, 80 people per month. And so if we come over here, you are ranking for some of those key terms. Hair replacement Los Angeles, you're sitting in position 24 right now. We've got MD Hair Salon sitting in position, let's see here. So they're sitting a little bit higher up. You can see that 1 through 4 through 8, that's actually all on the first page of Google. And so it's really easy for a client to go boom and click on their website and call them for these services. So that would be our goal, is to get you ranking, making sure that these key terms are both within your website and on the back end of SEO. And so when I hop back over here to overview, these are backlinks. And so what a backlink is, it looks like you've got 40, they've got 138. So I just wanted to relate the two really quickly. But a backlink is another website pointing back to your website. And so what Google says is that is legit. LosAngelesHairPieces.com does offer these services. And so that's really important when it comes to SEO, and that has a huge impact on ranking your website to be on the first page of Google search terms. And so that's really important as well. So I do like to share that with our potential clients. When it comes to SEO, it is definitely something 3 to 6 months that our clients are able to see that their salon and their barbershops move up in the rankings, so then that way more clients can find them. I am going to hop back here really quickly. When we're talking about the GMB or the Google My Business, we were talking earlier about 40% of potential clients are able to find you on there. And so as I scroll down here, I still have the same search term, Los Angeles hair replacement, and I scroll down, whoop, there you are. So mind-blowing hair replacement. So you can see our goal would be for you to be in these top 3, because we know, the top 3, it's really easy for somebody to go, boom, there they are. They've got to be the best because they're sitting in the top 3. But as you can see, Farrell Hair Replacement only has 2.9 stars and they're ranking number 1. So our goal would be to rank you right up there on that first page. These two are ads. You can also advertise on Google, so that's what you're seeing, our ads right there. So we're ignoring that when we actually look at the ranking. Something that I did notice when I pulled up your business was mind-blowing hair replacement. It looks like you're temporarily closed. I do not know if you're still closed, but you definitely want to check that when you log into your GMB. And if you are open, make sure you pop those business hours on there so people can find you. Super important. And when it comes to GMB, you've got your description, which is great. We put a big emphasis on the description because you can also utilize some of those key terms in your GMB description as well, which is going to help with your ranking as far as that goes. I just wanted to hop on here and give you a little bit of insight as far as what we do. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to chatting with you more. Have an amazing rest of your day.